In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to apply for a federal tax ID number. So let's get started. The type of federal tax ID number you need depends on your situation. Now here are the two most common types and how to apply for them. The first one is the employer identification number. Now, who needs it? It's mostly needed by businesses, trusts, estates, partnerships, and individuals with specific tax filing requirements. Example, independent contractors, sole traders, and etc. Now, how do you apply for them? Now, there are several ways. Let's go ahead and look at each of them. The first one is online. Now, which is the preferred method? So it's free. There's instant issuance upon verification. It requires a valid taxpayer identification number of the responsible party. Now, the second option is by fax. Now, this requires you to submit completed Form SS4 to the appropriate fax number, and it takes up to 4 business days. The next one is by mail. Mail completed Form SS4 to the IRS address provided in the instructions, and it takes 7 weeks. The next one is by phone, which is not generally recommended as processing can be delayed. So this is the first type. Now the second type is individual taxpayer identification number. Now who needs this one? It's mostly needed by foreign nationals not eligible for an SSN who need to file a US tax return, claim tax, treaty benefits, or open a bank account for tax purposes. Now, how can you apply for this? You can attach Form W7 to your federal income tax return. Include original or certified copies of identity and foreign status documents, which takes up to 7 weeks. The next one is mail Form W7 and supporting documents separately. Submit to the IRS address provided in the instructions, which takes 7 weeks. And the next one is limited circumstances. Apply using a certified acceptance agent or authorized third party preparer. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.